Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety and legality. Know the laws where you are and adopt a risk mindset. Once that's clear, make sure your system is updated and ideally separated from daily use, such as a virtual machine or a spare device to limit exposure. Make backups and decide how you'll communicate and handle funds if needed. These choices shape every next move. So pick privacy-preserving options and prepare contingency steps in case you need to stop immediately. Next, adopt operational practices that reduce risk. Treat each session like a new identity and avoid carrying over personal accounts or data. Make sure privacy features are enabled and do not install extra plugins that can fingerprint you. Keep communications encrypted and separate from real-world ID. Be conservative with files, don't execute unknown binaries, and watch system resources for anomalies. These habits help prevent linkage and compromise while you learn the landscape responsibly. To finish a session, safely exit and sanitize your environment. Clear session data, revert to a clean snapshot if you used a VM, and rotate any test credentials. If you observe suspicious behavior or potential compromise, isolate the device immediately and preserve logs for investigation. Make sure you know who to contact, legal counsel or trusted technical support, so you can respond without escalating harm. One troubleshooting tip: if something seems wrong, stop and document rather than improvise fixes that could worsen exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.